What is up, guys? Today we're going to start moving stuff over from our wrecked Xterra over to ours. And last night Travis and I took off the rear bumper caps. As you can see, they're missing. We pulled the taillights and all that stuff. And I proceeded to spend about 4 to 5 hours of getting the rust off of them and painting them. So we have them sitting down here. They have been fully sprayed, primered and sprayed with bed liner, and we'll see how well that holds up for now. Just terrible. I mean, I'm assuming they got shipped as bare metal, and they just proceeded to rust instantly. So we took those off, spent all night last night cleaning that up. Very boring stuff, but needed to be done. And now we have taken, let's see here, we have taken our bumper caps off. It's super simple. 2 screws in the rear right here, and then 3 inside the fender well, and those, your plastic caps will pop off. And now what I have to do is take the top piece of wood here out of the truck so I can get into the side panel so we can get access down into these quarters, so I can drill holes and cut them out. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and hopefully this goes smoother than this morning has already went. So let's go ahead and pull this wood out and start measuring and punching holes. Right, now that crap's over with, I wasn't willing to fully disassemble my storage back here just to do this. So what I had to do was cut the corner that I had made out so I could pull that out of its hole. What you're trying to get to is down in here on either side, so we can put the backing plate back there, bolt that up, and then bolt the step to that. So that was way more work than it ever should have been, but that's done now. So there that is. Let's move on with this project. That was a bad idea. Apparently sparks hit the lens. I don't know. I'll have to see in editing. I don't know if you can see that, but there's 3 up in the lens now. So that's cool, brand new lens. Anyways, one side's completely done. Couple things that I didn't realize. Let's turn this down. You put the fronts in. So yeah, everything went pretty smoothly. We got to put now the backing plates in on this side. The one thing that I didn't realize that you'll have to take off is this little tab right here, and it's just 2 tins right there. It's just a little arm that help hold on your plastic piece, but you'll actually take those out and you'll use those 2 holes for the bottom 2 bolts on these corner plates. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get the other side in and call it a day. Alright, so there we have it. Everything's cleaned up, bolted up. They're all, both sides are on. Everything clears. The only thing I don't really like so far is right here. I think this side got a little tweaked in the rollover. So the self-tapper wasn't quite holding enough. So what I think, I'm gonna have somebody help me push in on it while we put a bolt nut through it and just a little bit more secure, but that should be an easy fix to get it perfect. But I like the way it looks good. Nice to have a step like the second gens do, and other than a little bit of cutting, relatively easy install. Just a lot easier if you don't have a storage and a bed and stuff like that set up back there. It makes it a whole lot easier to get to. But there you go. I think we'll go ahead and call it right there. Up next will be taking off the A or B bumper and undoing our bumper and swapping that over, I think, is our next project. So stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know the deal. And we will see you in the next one. Later.